Hi, my name is Philip and I'm Product Manager at ZIC for Safety Laser Scanners. In this video, we'll take a closer look at two specific field types that we offer and that we introduced with the Safety Laser Scanner Microscanner 3. Apart from the warning and the protective field, we offer two other types of fields, namely the contour as reference field and the contour detection field. Both can be configured in our software, the Safety Designer. As you know, the protective field and the warning field are designed to detect objects that enter a hazardous area. The contour fields, on the other hand, as the name says, are configured so that they monitor the environment for a predefined contour that they're supposed to see. So while both the contour detection field and the contour as reference field monitor for a contour, their intended use in the application is totally different. First, let's look at the contour as reference field, which is intended to detect changes in the scanner's alignment or even manipulation. Some national and international standards require you to monitor a reference contour in vertical applications. Some countries only recommend you doing it. So that the scanner can fulfill its safety task at all times, the alignment should not be changed. Therefore, we have to be able to detect if the scanner has been rotated or tilted due to unintentional vibrations or vibrations in the applications or due to manipulation. To detect such changes, a reference contour in the environment must be monitored at all times. So the contour as reference field is active all the time, independent from which monitoring case and which protective field or warning fields are currently active. If the contour does not match the expected contour, the scanner judges that it cannot guarantee safety, and therefore it will switch off all safety-related outputs and therefore also turn off the machine. Let's assume this is the entry point to a hazardous area. If we want to protect it in regards to access protection or hazardous point protection, we would have to mount our scanner vertically. That means that the scan plane and the protective field fill out the entire gap. We would then place our contour at the very bottom in this corner between the door frame and the floor to have a very good contour. One more information, it is considered a vertical application when the angle between the scan plane and the direction of entry exceeds 30 degrees. The contour detection field can be used in a lot more flexible ways, for example, vertically or horizontally in many different kinds of applications. It can be used for safeguarding or safe positioning of AGVs, as can be seen in this video. This field works the same way as the contour as reference field, but it is assigned to a specified monitoring case like the protective and the warning field. So only when this monitoring case is active, the contour switches off the specified safety output. This gives great flexibility and enables adaptive safety. So the scanner will detect and recognize a unique contour in the environment, such as the feet of a pallet that a forklift wants to pick up, or the charging dock of an AGV, or a door that should be shut. And certain outputs are triggered and can activate a monitoring case switching in the PLC. So, summarized, both fields look out for a unique contour in the environment, but while the contour as reference field acts as a manipulation prevention, the contour detection field can be used to trigger certain outputs and activate actions in the PLC. So, that's that. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to have more information on the Microscanner 3, feel free to have a look on zic.com.